Here it is, the moment I've been waiting for on the farm. We're finally getting some rain, and we can see all these catchments we've been building in action. Wow, it is coming down. I just have to go jump in the truck. Holy cow. Wow, you can just see right before our eyes the water is starting to move across the ground. It's only been coming down for a couple of minutes. So yeah, it's time to go drive around and see what's happening. This should be enough, right? Woo! Wow, look how fast this is filling. All right, oh, I'm so glad I'm home. Let's go have a look. I don't even know which way I want to drive first. I've built new catchments everywhere, so no matter where I go, there's something to see. I have a rain gauge out, so at the end of this, we'll see just how much rain we ended up getting. But the rate this is coming down, well, you never know. There we go. So the culvert is filling up and already flowing through just after 5 minutes of or so of rainfall. There we go, it's working. All right, let's go check out some other catchments. Wow, this one is totally full and flowing through. Great. Wow, it's a lot of water coming through. This is a lot of water we're able to infiltrate into the ground. It's exiting out really nicely. Excess water heading out into the preserve. Oh shit, those are important, I think. Judging by the water flowing through here, our new catchment in this area is probably already overflowing. Yep, it is. Okay, so this is this new space that we flattened for a future little travel trailer spot, and let's check it out. Wow, this thing is full. Maybe a little more than this can handle, our little spillway. We'll see how it holds up at the end. The rocks are holding into place so far, and this is the space that we planned on lining with rocks, which we didn't get a chance to do yet. Well, it's getting a little bit more cut out. Whoa, look at this snake. Look at that. Big bull snake, or gopher snake. Wow. Well, the adventures. So this is flowing off of the road. We'll have a culvert there eventually. It's filling up this first catchment. I also have some water coming from this side, and we dug a little trench from this upper catchment. You can see that is just filled. Has a lot of organic matter we've been dumping there that will eventually be vermicomposting.